Alright, my name is Dylan, and today I'll be doing my first Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm still new to the game, so I'm not going to be the best at this. And this is really the first time I've recorded anything like this, so it goes. Today I'm doing the Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Collection Yugi's World. It's about 30 bucks at Walmart, so we'll see how it goes. So. Let's see. Alright. So it automatically comes with these, so holographics. I'm not quite sure of the rarity because, like I said, I'm still new to the game. I think these are ultra rare, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll check on that later. I'll probably put it in the description. So let's see what it automatically comes with here. We have the Seal of Orakalos, Dark Necrofear, really cool looking card. Guardian Eidos. One of my buddy's favorite cards. I'll actually probably give it to him. The 5-headed dragon. It's pretty neat. Token. Another token. Looks like Karibo. And the third token, Karibo. Cool. So those aren't bad. These. Before he opens up here. So, open the first mega pack now. So the first thing we got here is the Dark Fusion of some kind. There we go. It's a Fiend Ritual, the Dark Master Zork. Next is a Trap, Solemn Warning. The Archfiend of Guilford is the next. Pretty neat card. Oh, one of my buddy's personal favorites, Gravekeeper's Disciple. Or Descendant, not Disciple, I'm sorry. Another one of my buddy's personal favorites, Secret Rare, Giant Rat. Holographic Fissure. Then Fiend, Emissary of the Afterlife. Oh, another spell card, Level Up. That would have been really useful back when I first started. Guardian Elma. And that's all from the first pack. In the second pack now. That's one of my favorites, Soul Taker. Oh, my friend will probably really like this one. He likes Warrior, Digrapher, so Dark Grapher. Oh, I remember this one from the old Yu-Gi-Oh! Art. Toon Summoned Skull. Oh, I've never seen this before actually. Summoner Monk. Interesting card. Compulsory Evacuation Device. That could be useful for counter attack. Ooh, friend will really like this one. Tri-Horned Dragon. He looks cool. And Dark Knight Parshath. Never seen him before, but he looks pretty neat. Heart of the Underdog. Oh, that's cool. My friend will probably really like that one. Kind of fits in actually. Ooh, Silent Magician level 4. That'll be neat, a Magician deck I have. And that's all from the second pack. So not you know the rarest cards or anything, but they're pretty neat. You know, I didn't start playing this game because I wanted to be the best or have the best cards or anything. I just like the way some of them look. And let's see. Next we have Dark Lord Zerato. Oh, Knight's Title. Cool, now I have two of them. Invader of Darkness. Wow. That is a cool looking card. Dark Snake Syndrome. During your standby phase, inflict damage to the... Oh, that's cool. That's actually really useful. Limiter removal. Oh, that's cool. That'll be really good in my buddy's machine deck. Alright. Oh, look, guys. Secret rare. Right arm of the Forbidden One. Hello, Exodia. Let's see. Machine duplication. Armed Dragon. Level 7. The Tricky. Now 2 of this. And it's all for the 3rd pack. Pretty cool cards. Pretty cool cards. The Tricky. Always used to be one of my buddy's favorites. So now we're going to open this pack. It's our 4th, I do believe. Oh, hey, sweet. That'll do great in my Dark Magician deck. Dark Sage. Oh, a 2nd Blacklist original that I already have. DD's Scout Plane. Oh, we've never seen this one. It looks cool. Spirit Reaper. Oh, Brain Control. It's really good if you have like a lot of tribute creatures. Creature Swap. And it's holographic. Neat. Silent Swordsman level 7. That makes 3 of them for me. Goblin Fan. Oh, sweet. And Horus the Black Flame Dragon. It's pretty neat cards in that one, actually. So that one right there. So now for our last pack. One of the arms. Let's get the rest of the Exodia pieces. No, not really. I doubt I would. Rite of Spirit. Something for Gravekeepers. Detonate. Destroy all face of creatures. Oh, that's cool. The Earth Hex Sealed Fusion. Oh, basically use that as any type of Earth type fusion. Nice. Another Dark Snake Syndrome. Probably put 2 of those in my deck, to be honest. Oh, Royal Decree. Neat card. Really, really good, actually. Threatening Roar. Secret rare. Oh, cool. Morphing Jar. Neat. I remember him. Never actually had one before. And the Gold Sarcophagus. That's really cool, actually. Feral Imp. Well, that was one of Yugi's favorites ever. And that's all of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing video. I hope to be making more, relatively soon, and they'll hopefully be better quality as I get used to them. But yeah, so still signing out.